I am doing a YouTube video for you guys. I really am back. Don't you worry, you guys. I really am back. Dad was really supportive of me. The reason why we were busy, you might check out the video. And that's Wilby. He's now like grown up. Alright, what we're gonna do is unboxing our new Nintendo Switch Pro controller. I've been wanting this, but Dad, can you explain why I always wanted it? I wanted this because like I can keep the Joy-Cons in the Switch, but unfortunately,
well, we can do 2 players with 2 good controllers now, can't we?
Yeah. Alright, so let's get started. Hello, Louie. Oh, it's a piece. What comes with it is a USB charging cable and Pro controller and instructions. Boring instructions.
Right, let's have a look at the controller, shall we?
This is gonna be exciting, dude. Oh, look at that. Look at this. It's like a... You can see through it. How cool does that look? How cool does that look, huh? It's like only one controller. Attendant switch. What I like is about that is because like I can keep my Joy-Cons, even if I'm playing, I can keep it while charging. Seriously, it's so good. The Pro controller, it's really good. It's like an Xbox controller to me, but the difference is that there's like 4 switch buttons on there, and what we have here is some different buttons. The A used to be here, B, but I like this so much. It's like an Xbox. It looks like an Xbox, but it's so good to hold. The other Joy-Cons were just so small, and I'm really lucky to feel it. I love this thing. Like, we can all charge this, and like, this is like.
Let's give it a shot, shall we? Let's give it a rundown.
Yeah, we're gonna play Smash Bros with this. Unfortunately, like, I unlocked Ryu like 3 times in a row. I was raging a lot, like literally, because he was so hard. Like, he made me like.
So you unlocked him after 3 goes, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Thank you all for watching my Pro Controller unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, and ciao bunga.